Well guys, I'm fixing to get back on the Carnival Dream. I just left Cozumel and I thought I'd just take the camera along, let you watch me get back on. Let me turn the camera around and let's get on the Carnival Dream. That's a big ship, as you can see. The Vista's parked right next to us. It's also out of Galveston. There is the Celebrity Equinox. It's also in port. I'll get a look. Was some beautiful blue water. I hope this camera does it justice. I highly doubt it does, but it is crystal clear. Hey, there's some fish down there. I can see them. You probably can't, but I can. See them fish? It's like some tiger fish of some kind. See them?
Yeah.
Well, if it was on the Vista, we'd be turning right there, but we're on the Dream, so we're going straight. You can see them windows. That's deck one. That's what they call ocean view cabins. Right up above them, which is below the lifeboats, them are what they call cove balcony cabins. And I'm actually in 2346, about mid-ship. I've really enjoyed my cove balcony cabin. Watch people get on and off the ship. You can right down against the water, you know, when you're sailing. I've really enjoyed being down low. First time I've ever been in a cove balcony cabin. I'm gonna pass, thank you. Well, here's our entrance. Let's get back on the Carnival Dream. Well, I'm back in my cove balcony cabin on the Carnival Dream. You can see the Vista over there. You can see the beautiful blue water from my cove balcony cabin. Hey, I hope that little video was beneficial to you in case you get off in Cozumel. You kind of know what it's like getting back on. Hey, watch for my other Carnival Dream videos. Hey, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Hey, till next time, catch you later.